virgin, freaky girl under the sheets. Don't you love when things start slowing down? I know you got me, baby.
Discussion. Hello, my name is Winda Nurhalisha. In this video, I'm going to talk about the clothes I usually wear every day. Here are some items or clothing I often wear: t-shirt, jeans, hoodie, sneakers, and jacket. I usually wear a t-shirt because it is light, comfortable, and perfect for hot weather. I often wear it at home or when I go to class. Second, I like wearing jeans because they are simple and suitable for many occasions. I wear jeans when I go out with friends or go to work. I wear a hoodie when it's cold or rainy. Hoodie makes me feel warm and relaxed, especially when studying in the library or in air-conditioned room. Lastly, I wear sneakers almost every day because they are very comfortable for walking, and I use them both for casual and semi-formal activities. These clothes are my favorites because they are practical, stylish, and comfortable. Why school is important? In the second part of this video, I will give a short summary and personal opinion about the video Why School is Important. To explain that school is not only a place to learn how to read, write, and do math, but also a place where we learn how to interact with others. We learn how to make friends, follow rules, work in teams, and respect to each other. These are important life skills that help us become responsible and successful persons. The video also says that education helps us get good jobs in the future and give us the knowledge we need to achieve our dreams. In my opinion, school is very important. It prepares us for real life, not just with academic lessons, but also with discipline, teamwork, and problem solving. Without school, it would be hard to grow into responsible adults or reach our goals. That's why I believe school plays a big role in shaping our future.
Ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em